As preppers, beans have to be the staple. However, you know, we don't always think about the different types of beans and advantages and disadvantages of the bean. And even we also are going to add some split peas and some lentils also, because each one have different calories. They have a different amount of protein. They even take different cook times, so it's extremely important, you know, when it comes to prepping. So what we're going to do is make a comparison.
Yes. So stay tuned to the end because we're going to list the best rating of all the beans.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. It's actually pretty surprising. You'll be amazed. Caught me off guard. Okay, the first one we're going to go over is pinto beans.
Here we go. We just picked up a bag of pinto beans, even though in our reserve we have much larger bags. But hey, the bag of pinto beans.
Okay, what we're going to cover here is per quarter cup dry serving size. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about are the calories. The pinto bean has 120 calories. It has 7 to 8 grams of protein. The cook time is 90 to 120 minutes or 45 to 60 minutes if it's soaked.
I recommend to soak them because it cuts the time of cooking in half.
Exactly. Yep, that's what we always do. So the fuel use on these would be medium. You know, they're common, they're versatile, and they're easy to rotate. The next one we're going to go over are the black beans.
Here we go. We have another bag of black beans.
And later on, at the end of the video too, we'll put up a chart so you can look at all this so you don't have to be writing it down. Yeah.
We did the work for you.
Yeah, we did the work for you. Calories for the black beans was 120. The protein is 7 to 8 grams. The cook time is 90 to 120 minutes. And that's again 45 to 60 minutes if you soak it, just like we said before. Yeah. For the others. And the fuel use on that will be medium. And they're similar to the black beans are similar to the pintos, just slightly firmer texture. Next one we got are, what are they?
These are navy beans. Here's a little bag of navy beans. Same thing, quarter cup.
Yeah, quarter cup. A quarter cup is 100 calories. The protein is 7 grams. The cook time is 90 to 120 minutes. I'm seeing a trend. 45 to 60 minutes if they're soaked. Cuts back a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah, I always soak them the night before, or at least a couple hours.
Yeah, and especially if you're
before cooking.
If we don't have power, you don't want to be using that extra energy on if you don't soak it.
Yeah. Good point.
But the calories are only 100 on those. The next ones we're going to do are lentils. I think I got the lentils.
You have the lentils. And they're really tiny beans.
Yeah, these are little guys. Well, they're not actually beans.
But, you know, to me, they're in the bean category.
Yeah, they fit with us. This is something that is a staple for prepping, so that's why we threw these in.
Yes.
And these, also the calories are 140. The protein is 9 grams. Cook time is 20 to 30 minutes, and you don't soak these.
Yeah.
Fuel use on these would actually be kind of low. So, you know, they have a pretty good, fast cook time, which is really nice. Then the next one are the split peas, which also, of course, aren't a bean, but it's another one that, as preppers, you gotta have your split peas. The calories for these are 90 calories for a quarter cup. The protein is 8 grams. Once again, you don't have to soak them, and the cook time is 30 to 45 minutes.
Yes, I think those split pea beans are the ones that cook the quickest if you need to cook something in a hurry.
And so, once again, those are really low on fuel use. So you got to, what I would do with you, and that's why we're going to start doing, is kind of think about recipes that you could do when things go black that use some of these different beans and things and split peas. When times are tough.
That don't take as much fuel.
Yeah, so be ready for that. Because maybe if the power went out, you'd be maybe saying, oh, let's throw some beans in. You didn't know about the split peas, you could save a lot of fuel. So
yeah, versus the pinto. The pinto take about an hour or more. Yeah. Versus, 45 to 30 minutes on split pea?
Yep. So then we look at the garbanzo beans. I love garbanzo beans.
Yeah, you can do a lot with garbanzo beans.
There's our garbanzo beans. And the calories for these guys is 100. The protein is 6 to 7 grams, so it's a little lower. The cook time is actually 120 to 180 minutes or 60 to 90 minutes soaked.
Yeah, those take quite a bit of time.
So that takes a lot of fuel for the calories. So if you're thinking about, if you got your big old bin of these and expect to use them during an outage, you may think again because
Yeah, they take quite a bit of time.
They take quite a bit of time, and I'm surprised on that one.
Yeah, but one of the things I really like to make with garbanzo beans is hummus.
Yes.
That's how you make hummus.
Yep.
Oil beans, a little oil, seasoning, whip them up in the blender, and you have hummus.
Yeah, so there again, what you can actually do is make sure you have canned beans. These beans that take a lot of cook time, instead of relying on your dried goods.
When the power's out.
Then maybe you should just
Yeah,
think
we
about,
usually have a case of all these beans in can.
Yeah, we have, yep.
Yeah, just in case.
All right, so the next one I have are the kidney beans. These are the red kidney beans. And they are, sorry I have to keep looking down. I didn't have all this memorized. The kidney beans are 90 calories.
Per quarter cup.
Yep. Protein is 7 to 8 grams. The cook time is 120 to 180 minutes again, and that's 60 to 90 minutes soak time. And these must be fully cooked because they do have a toxin in them if they're not fully cooked. So you always have to make sure you fully cook kidney beans. A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you a comparison chart right now. You can pause it and look at it or do a screenshot or whatever, so you have the comparison.
And you make your choices of which ones you want to buy and keep in your reserve.
Yep.
You don't have to buy all of them, but I mean, just have a couple of different varieties.
Okay, so now for the best of and what the numbers really show.
Yes.
The most calories per quarter cup go to the lentils. We're at 140 calories.
Mm-hmm. The lentils were, say, like these ones right here. These are the lentils,
Yep.
the little ones. Most calories.
Yep, most calories. And then the best protein per calorie was also the lentils.
Ta-da!
Surprising, isn't it?
I like the lentils.
They're okay.
Hey, you eat them, you just don't know it.
I know. That's it. That's it. They're actually really good to mix in with rice and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the best fuel, best to use when fuel is limited, are two of them. We got a first and a second place. The
First place.
first place is
Ta-da! Lentils.
lentils. The second place would be split pea.
Yeah. Your split pea, because they're the smaller of your beans.
Yep.
So they cook much quicker.
Now the worst fuel to calorie trade-off are the garbanzo beans.
Yeah, these are little beans, but I don't know why they take so long, but yeah, they take a long time
And the
to
kidney
cook.
beans.
And the kidney beans, which you gotta cook thoroughly.
Yes.
Because they do have that little bit of toxin in them.
Yep, so make sure you cook them.
Cook them, let those overcook.
So this surprised us, didn't it? I mean, put some stuff in the comments on this.
Which bean did you think was gonna rank the
Yeah.
best? If you were to ask me, right off the bat, I would have said pinto beans.
I would have too.
I would have said pinto beans
would've-
have the highest protein.
Yep.
And they're the best for you to keep on, for your calories.
Yep, me too.
But yeah, we were wrong.
We were wrong. I would have
Yeah.
guessed that. I put money on it.
Yeah.
However, it seems like the lentils are the ones to go to, right?
Yeah. And they're
Because they have the highest calories. They cook in a fraction of the time. That just really changes the way we look at emergency food, and we're definitely have to start looking into ways of cooking those, or
actually-
recipes.
yes. Well, I make my own einkorn bread, which consists of lentils.
Yep.
If you can believe that. But
Yep.
yeah, so you see, you do eat it.
Yep. So a quick takeaway on this before we get to her trivia. Gotta wait for her trivia. The highest calories and least food are lentils. The best balanced were the pintos and black beans.
For everyday staples.
Yep. Good but lower calorie were the navy beans. Fuel efficient backups were the split pea. The least efficient, of course, were the garbanzo and the kidney beans.
Yeah.
Now it's time for Belinda's trivia of the day.
Yes. Did you know dry beans can last 20 to 30 years in proper storage? Still provide protein, fiber, and energy. That's why beans have been a survival staple for centuries. And if you watch any type of show about discoveries of what they find. They often find lentils, and they often find beans.
Yeah, they find beans a lot.
In pots.
Yep, in pots. That's
In
very
their
true.
food storage, like in Pompeii.
Yep.
When they started digging that up, they found beans.
Yep, beans. Yep, beans are the best thing, you know.
Yeah.
We still have to stick to them as one of our staples.
Yeah.
And you know what? Make sure you leave some good comments on this. This is hopefully this was somewhat interesting and informative. You know, remember we're doing consulting, so we have a link below for that.
And if you have any other ideas, if you want us to do another comparison on any type of food that you have in your pantry, just because out of curiosity, let us know. And we'll look up the numbers, and we'll let you know what we find out.
Yeah, that's what this video was. It was a suggestion that somebody wanted us to delve more into beans.
So we did.
We did.
It was very eye-opening.
Yeah, it was very eye-opening.
Like I said before, I thought the pintos would win hands down.
Yeah, or at least the black beans.
Yeah, but no, it's the lentils.
Yep, lentils. So.
Which, yeah.
Surprising.
Good info.
Yep, good info. Hello, my name is Wayne.
I'm Belinda.
And we're Normal Prepping.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.